Hello, I'm Paul Stanley, Chief Executive of Achilles. For the last 35 years, we've been helping some of the highest risk industries in the world with their supply chain risk management. And I'm delighted to be joined today by Luis Garro, who's the Vice President of Supply Chain Operations from Southern Peaks Mining in Peru. Hello, Luis.
Hello, Will. How are
It's
you?
great to see you. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Would you mind starting by just telling us a little bit about Southern Peaks Mining?
Yeah, sure. Southern Peaks Mining Peru is a Peruvian company that owns two main assets, a project called Ariana, and which is currently suspended, and a mine called Minera Condestable, which is under operation. We produce copper concentrate, and we are currently processing more or less like 8,000 tons per day of ore, which make us a producer of more or less 300 tons of concentrate per day.
Amazing. Could you tell me a bit about the supply chain that supports you in that production?
Well, mainly our suppliers are based in Lima, which is like 1 hour away of the operation. Because we are not as big as other mining companies, we source like 95% of all our needs from Lima, and the 5% balance comes mainly from abroad, United States, Canada, China, Chile, and sometimes from Brazil too.
That's great. Why did Southern Peak Mining decide to work with a company like Achilles for its supply chain risk management?
Yeah, well, it's important to mention that we certify with Copper Mark standard, and we became the first medium-sized mining company in the world that obtained that certification. So, in the process of obtaining the certification, we decided to start working with an experienced company in qualifying and evaluating suppliers. And well, after searching the market, our best bet was to start a contract with Achilles. So here we are. After a couple of years, we are very happy of working with Achilles in this process. We are recertifying this year with this standard, so we hope that we won't have any problem because we are working as far as today very well.
Excellent, thank you. And why was obtaining the Copper Mark accreditation so important to you?
Well, nowadays, I think mining operations should start thinking in sustainable development, and we are not different to that. And one of our partners, owners actually, asked us to certify with this important standard because first, it attracts investment, and second place is the purpose of the company to develop the highest standard in the industry. So that's why we decided to certify Copper Mark.
Thank you. And how did Achilles help you achieve that?
Well, as I mentioned previously, with the supplier pre-qualification process, which is one of the most important part of the supply chain due diligence, because we need to assure that not just in our operations we have like good behavior, but also our suppliers do it as well. So in that process, we have to measure how close or far they are from our standards and our policies. And well, Achilles community is doing this for many years, so it was maybe easy for you to start working with us, but for us it was of great help to join a company with that experience.
Luis, thank you very much. It's been a great pleasure to work with you over the last years, and we look forward to supporting you many years to come.
I hope so. Thank you very much too.
Thank you.
Thank you.